Welcome back to our channel. Number 7 is talk about ionic radii, compare them, and you look at their well designed, you look at them. All of them has something similar. Yes, so all of them have the same fully filled anickel-free shell. Do you notice it? So it is fair, so we don't need to care about the electron. So what do we care? We care about the nucleus, okay, about the charges of the nucleus. So the concept is for them, okay, if they have a higher atomic number, more positively charged of the nucleus, and then more attractive force, so the ionic radius will be smaller. So remember the sequence for atomic number. Which one is largest? Yeah, you just look it up from the periodic table or you memorize it already. The sequence should be here. So the reverse sequence is the radius, right? So for the radius sequence, it should be yes. The answer is D. Calcium has the largest number of proton, the largest positively charged nucleus, so the attractive force is stronger. So the ionic radii is smaller. So I'm gonna say you guys, well done. See you.